What's happening there, world? We are back out on Lake Travis. We have a customer of ours who just got a new sprinkler system, and it was spraying on the window some hard water stains. So we're just gonna knock that out and get that off. So let's get to it. So question is, one of my customers, she has limestone, and these little black dots keep showing up. And I'm wondering if anybody out there can tell me what these little black dots are. It's almost like they're paint and it soaks in. I pressure wash it. I put chemicals on it, degreaser, and it does not come out. If anything, it just lightens it up just a little bit. Here's a couple spots that I've done, and it just don't come out. So anybody out there, you can tell me what that is, how to get it off of there. Really appreciate it. Comment below, all that good stuff.